Resri, I think I'm pronouncing her name wrong. The highlighter. My highlighter just fell in a bucket of water. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Ramona Charlene. Today's video is going to be a very fun video because it is a spring makeup collab haul with my good friend Fiza. I'll have all of her information linked down in the description bar below, so once you're done watching my makeup tutorial, please go and check her out and make sure you let her know that I sent you. Now, I know I'm looking a little bit crazy. I'm just focusing on the eyes. I already put on my face makeup, and for my lips, I'm wearing Wet n Wild Don't Blink Pink Rose Princess. And yeah, the palette that I'm going to be using today is the NYX Ultimate Edit. So we're going to be playing with some of these nice pretty colors here. If you hear any noise in the background, it's just my daughter, she's playing. So I think I'm gonna mostly be playing with these colors here. Today's March 1st, what better way to ring in spring than with spring makeup? The first color I'm using is the orange one right there. And I'm just gonna put this in the crease. I am getting a bit of fallout, but we'll deal with that after. Like, I'll clean it up. So what I'm gonna do is next I'm gonna go in with this color here, just put that all over my lid. And I'm using a flat brush. Ooh, this is so pigmented. I'm loving this. Yes, yes. So one of my goals this spring summer is to replace my YouTube equipment that was stolen from me, just because like I'm using my bathroom light. The lighting in my room is horrible. Like, I was gonna record in there, but it's pretty bad. I have like a little selfie ring light, but even with that, like sometimes it's just not enough. And I also, not more so the camera, like I don't mind recording off my phone, but I'm really gonna invest in a tripod because I'm makeshifting this one right now. Because I really want to grow my channel, and like I can't grow my channel if I, people can't really see what I'm doing type thing. So we're just gonna blend all that together. I know it looks crazy, but I promise you it will look super gorgeous when we are finished. Alrighty guys, so I went off camera for a minute just to get a closer look at how my look is coming along, because I'm using my camera as a mirror. And to be honest with you guys, this is actually my first time using this palette, and I'm not too fond of it. It's super chalky, and I have primer on. I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it, but we're gonna make it work. I'm just literally going back in with the pink right here just to see if maybe I can build it up. Like, I don't know, on camera it's like picking up really chalky. I wanted it to be a little bit more brighter than this. My cat's trying to get out, 1 second. And there's like a lot of fallout. Okay, I think that's enough of this palette. I have another palette, the NK birthday cake palette. I got this at my beauty supply store for $3.99. So we're just gonna use some of these colors just to kind of build up the base that I have. I'm also gonna go in with my glitter by the brand Magic. I also got this from my hair supply store. With this pink, maybe these two. We're gonna do both. So you can already tell, like, that goes on way better. I'm just gonna rub that on my lid and in my crease. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm quickly just going to clean this fallout off my face because it's not cute. Like, hello. Alright guys, so I just came off camera real quick just to add in some eyeliner, and you notice like with the eyeliner it kind of pulls the look a little bit together. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some glitter on the lid because I feel like glitter makes everything look better. Did I bring a thingy? I thought I brought a mirror, but yeah, I'm just gonna add some glitter to the lid, and then we're gonna pop on some lashes, and then that's gonna be the look. So here we are with the glitter. and I think it makes it look 10 times better. And next what I'm gonna do is, oh my god, I didn't add any highlight. Sorry guys, this tutorial's like all over the place. I'll be right back. So I added a little bit, ugh, that was really close and personal. So I added a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Resri, I think I'm pronouncing her name wrong, the highlighter. My highlighter just fell in a bucket of water. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, the whole thing just fell out in a bucket of water. Oh my god. Oh, the last thing we're gonna do with this look is we're gonna go in with some pretty lashes. I got this from my beauty supply store. They were like $3 or $4.99. And this is in style 822M. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera because I am kind of special. So I'm gonna put them on and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished look with everything on my face. Alrighty guys, so I'm back. So this is the finished look. I literally just put on my lashes and then I went in with my mascara just to blend my lashes properly, and then my under eye. So I'm just gonna get up close so you guys can see. This look is super, super easy, super beginner friendly, other than the fail of my expensive highlighter falling into a bucket of conditioned water. I think the look came out pretty good, especially since the NYX Ultimate Edit palette was really chalky and stuff. But overall, I do like how it came out. So I guess this is like a tutorial first impressions because I've never used this before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you liked how my look came out and if you'd like to see more spring inspired tutorials. Also, don't forget to go check out Fizza makeup tutorial as well. I'll have all her things listed down below. And yeah, that's all for today guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.